Find the direction cosines of the sides of triangle whose vertices are the following. So first thing is we'll draw a diagram. So the question may be, if you're able to draw a diagram, do draw a diagram. So first thing is point A is 3, 5, minus 4. Point B is minus 1, 1, 2. And point C is minus 5, minus 5, minus 2. Right? Now, we have to figure out the direction cosine between, say, AB, BC, and CA individually. So we'll start off with direction cosines of, say, AB. So cos of alpha will be x. So xb minus xa divided by AB, right? So first is we have to figure out the length of AB. So AB is equal to length of a line is equal to, or we can write it in general, length of a line in case of coordinate geometry is x2 minus x1 the whole square, plus all this by now you guys should be very clear with, because this is something you would have studied before also. In 2 dimension, this is expanded to 3 dimension. That's it. Z2 minus Z1 the whole square to the power of half. And now we have AB that would be equal to, okay. So again, the order will not matter. So 4 square plus this would be 4 square again, plus this would be 6 square to the power of half. So this is a practice question, to be honest. It's for the sake of it. 16, 16, 32, 36, 32, 36, 68. Right? I hope I'm right regarding that. Root of 68. 16 into 2 plus 6. 68. Okay. 68, the root is, I don't know. Then I think fourth auto, it will of course get divided. So 17, yeah. Okay. So this is 2 root of 17. There's nothing much we can do. So that's our length AB, and therefore cos alpha will be equal to, so here it is, we have to go with a particular order. Then since we're talking about AB, so this is a destination. So minus 4 by 2 root of 17. So this is minus 2 by root of 17. Then cos beta, it is y2 minus y1 divided by the length actually. In this case AB, or we can call this as A and this as B itself. So here it would be 1 minus 5 minus 4 by same thing. Again, since it's a lengthy question, you guys need not substitute and show everything. That's not practical. Cos gamma is ZB minus ZA. Since we're not written the formulas, we just have to write it once. 2 minus 6, 6, and we have 2 in the denominator. So 3 by 17, root 17. Again, I'm skipping steps, I guess. Okay, so we need this diagram because no point in coming back and forth. So let it be there. Next, we have to figure out, say, BC. Again, it's a lengthy question. Direction cosine of BC. So BC is equal to, BC is over here. So here the order will not matter. So this would be 4 square plus 6 square plus, is correct, right? minus 5 plus 1, yeah, minus 6, correct. 2 and minus 2 plus 4, so 4 square, same number, I guess. Yeah, I mean, same number. So this would be, therefore, BC is equal to 2 root of 17 unit. And cos of alpha in this case would be, we can directly do it. So this would be, again, the order is important over here. This would be minus 4 by 2 root 17, so minus 2 root of 17. Cos of beta, always write it in order. Don't write it sidewise. I mean, next to each other, that's what I mean. It should be below. Since I don't have space, I'm doing this. Minus 4 itself, I guess. No, minus 6. So minus 3 by root of 17. Cos beta gamma would be minus 4 minus 2 root of 17. No, plus. No, minus. Minus 2, yeah. And finally, we have direction cosine of AC. So AC square is equal to, this would be 8 square. This would be 10 square, right? Yeah, 10 square. And this would be plus 2 square. Okay. So this is 64, 164, 168. 64, yeah, 168. So 168, of course, it is 42. Then can we divide with something else? 21, 7, 3, no. Root of 42, there's nothing. So yeah, 2 root of 42. 2 root of 42 is our AC. So this is 21, 7, 3, and 21. Yeah. 21 is a number. I mean 7 and 3 and so on and so forth. Okay. It's not there. Right, guys? So cos of alpha over here is order matters. So C is our destination. So here minus 8 minus 4 root of 42 cos beta would be 5 and minus 5, that is, no. So minus 5 and minus 5, minus 10. So minus 5 by root of 42. And finally, we have plus 2. So plus 2 divided by plus 2 is plus 1 root of 42. That's it. A small note, sometimes the sign might be different in your answer booklets. So don't think about it, because since we don't know the exact direction per se, so it can be any direction. So this is also good enough. Again, it would be either be plus plus minus or minus minus plus. Here in this case would be plus plus plus, so on and so forth. So if the signs are different, altogether different for each term, it's the opposite of whatever you got, then you got the right answer.